Hello guys, and you are welcome to today's video. Right, remember we have been saying we should be expecting higher price targets even for the price of yearn.finance, right? And as you can see, everything moving accordingly as predicted, right? And as you can see, all our analysis going exactly as predicted, and as you can see, a whole lot of green dildos on the board. And without further ado, I would be showing you what next will be happening to yearn.finance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? Remember, it's the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis, price predictions, and trades on your favorite coins. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and without further ado, let us move over to the charts, right? So we are on the chart for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the things we have been saying right here was that, right, when we were seeing this push to the downside, we were saying we need to form some sort of double bottom, which we saw right here. And right here we were seeing some huge bullish divergence forming on the YFI chart, and we were saying we were very bullish right down from this $5,200 region, right? And as you can see, right, since then we have seen a whopping push of about 25% in the price for YFI. So we have been very bullish, and congratulations to every single one that has been following us on the channel, right? Also, you can see, right, we saw this bullish divergence right here. We were very bullish because we were seeing, right, this huge trend begin to show forth right here on the strength index. And as you can see, right, everything has proved correct, right? The strength index were always correct, and we have seen a push to the upside. So what is next? We still should be expecting more price targets push to the upside for YFI. Probably we could see first a push right down to this resistance area of about the 7,000, and then we probably could still push right down to the $7,789 in the medium to long term. So that is what we should be expecting, right, for the price for YFI. As if we look at some of our indicators right here, you could see that our strength index is still bullish, which means we should still expect higher price targets. The same thing we are seeing on the MACD, and one of the reasons we were bullish was that we saw this bullish divergence. We saw this MACD cross, and currently, as you can see, we are in the bullish, right, and even for the MACD. So we are very bullish on every time frame. As you can see, we are still expecting higher price targets, as all our indicators are in confluence that we could still see higher prices even for the price of YFI. So that is the analysis for YFI today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.